Hi guys. So this is the temple room. Let me show you around. This is the temple room, and this is where like the sound circles and stuff happen. All the pretty instruments and stuff. So we discovered that there is a beautiful little bird in here. We don't know how we got in because all the windows are closed off and stuff. But look how pretty. It's a pretty little bird. Hi, little birdie. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Can you sing for us? That's me. That's not the bird. Hi, little guy. So cute and pretty. Yeah, so I just thought I would show you guys this magical bird. Reed's trying to feed it star fruit. Say hi. Hi. We are making breakfast.